This lesson will teach you how you can create a hole in a solid body in Autodesk Fusion. Activate Hole from the Create drop-down menu or with keyboard shortcut H. Your first choice is placement. The most common thing is probably to select the face, but you can also select multiple sketch points. Centralize this hole right above the center. You can use the point in the orgo as your reference. Drag the manipulators or enter exact values for your hole size. You recognize the extent options from the extrude lesson. Extend all, for example, is a good choice if you want your hole to extend through the entire thickness, including future changes. You can choose between simple, counterbore and countersink hole types and simple, clearance tapped or taper tapped hole type types. You'll see an illustrative image below each choice, including thread offset options for the tapped hole tap type. You also have thread type, size, designation direction, and the option to select if you want your thread to be modeled or if you settle with a visual representation. Modeled is useful in some cases, for example if you intend to 3D print your design. Keep in mind that your file becomes more complex if you check modeled, and every extra detail can eventually slow down your file. Hence, if you only want a visual representation in your file, then you don't have to check modeled. If you need to change your hole, just use the timeline and edit your feature. And that's it for now. Good job, see you in the next lesson. Thank you.